Hello everyone, in this exercise of the SolidWorks, we will create a sheet metal electric enclosure in the SolidWorks. Let's start. File, new, part, OK. This is the SolidWorks user interface and plain white background unit system. I am taking millimeter ground second. In these are the tabs. In order to bring sheet metal tab, you press any tab, right click tab and bring the sheet metal. Okay, my tab is available here. Okay, I am taking front plane, sketch, this one, center rectangle, this one. Okay, I am taking the arbitrary dimensions, 500 and this one is the 300. Okay, this okay, and sheet metal base flange. I am taking the sheet dimension only 1.6 inch, that is 16 gauge approximately. So this sheet is thickness going away from my side, so I am reversing the direction. Okay, K factor 0.5. auto relief we will use when edge flange we will apply. Okay, this one. Now edge flange. Select this dimension. This one. This one. This one. You can reverse the direction from here also. This arrow button, you can reverse the direction. This one. This one. Okay. I am taking 120 mm. This flange height. Okay. Gap between the flange is, this gap is equal to 0.5 and radius inside band radius is 1. Show. I will show you this radius, and metal is from right. This metal is outside. Outside virtual short means intersection point of outer edges. This point to up to end of the flange, and this is the flange position. Flange position is from this point to this inside the metal sheet. Band, this band is inside the sheet. Okay, this way. Now sheet metal isometric. Now another flange, this one, this one, this one, this one, inside edges. You can select any edge, but I am selecting inside edge. This height is 25 mm. I am taking 25 degree, 25 mm, 90 degree, and gap is this gap is this one. This flange is automatically comes in at a 45 degree end positions. This one. I am okay. Radius is same, 1.6 inch. This one. Okay. Now another flange, edge flange. Now outer edge, this one, upper edge, this one, this one, this one, this one. This height I am also taking 25 mm. Okay, same thing. Outer virtual shaft, inner material. Okay, 90 or height is 25 mm. Radius is this one. This one. Okay. Now I will create the hole here. How I will create the hole? Future, hole wizard, hole. This is the hole. See this one. I am bringing my cursor here. This is the hole. Hole selected. ISO, standard is ISO. Drill size. There is various dowel hole drill size. I am selecting drill size. Hole size is 5 mm. I am taking, and condition up to next, and take the position. Select the face. Now you will see the yellow color you are seeing. Now I am placing two holes, this one and this one. Okay, and press escape key. Okay, now this is okay, shift key, and this selected. Both points selected, and make a relation vertical. Okay, smart dimension. Smart dimension. This dimension is equal to 25 mm. And this dimension 25 mm. and from outer edge to this dimension I am taking 15 mm. This is 15 mm. Okay, the sketch is fully defined. Okay, I am hitting OK button. This one. The holes are created. Now I will mirror these holes. How? Future, mirror this top plane, this one. This is mirror. Color give this one, appearance, green color. I give like this one and save it. This is the first part, main cover first. Okay, save it. Second part, file, new part. Okay, background white and unit system is millimeter gram per second. Again, front plane, sketch, same size, center rectangle. $500. $300. Sheet metal, base flange. Same thickness, 1/6. 1/6. I am reversing the direction. This I am taking towards my side. Leave 0.5, this one. Okay. Edge flange. Edge flange. I am selecting this edge. This one. This one. Flange direction you can change from here also. This arrow side, this one. Okay. This is 25 mm. Material from right. Material is from outer visual shot. Outer will intersection of outer edges from this point to up to this length, and this is the material inside. You will see the material is bending inside. Okay, gap is 0.5 meter and radius is this one. I will show you this radius. This one. If evaluate, measure, and this radius, you will see this band radius is the 1.67. This is radius 1.67. Okay, now I will make the hole. Sheet metal, I will make a hole, but I will do this line in this position. Okay, because this cover will sit in this position. Future, hole wizard, this hole, ISO, drill size, same size, up to next. Up to next means up to the sheet thickness. Position, this one, this surface, select this surface, and this hole and two hole place. Okay, press escape button out of the hole. Now shift key, this is selected, this is selected. Make important relation, vertical relation. Okay, this one. Smart dimension, this one, 10 mm. Okay, and this dimension, this is 25 mm. And this to this is 25 mm. Take this dimension, shift, and this vertical. Now it is fully defined. This should be in one line. Distance between this is this. Okay, extrude cut. And this is now future plane, top future mirror plane, top plane. I am mirroring it. This is mirror. Now give the color. Give any color. This one appearance. This color. That this way, and save the part. This is the cover. Second part, cover. Second dot cover. Now we will start the assembly. File, new part assembly. This assembly. Okay. Firstly, main cover selected. Now in the view adapt tool, this is the visibility. This is the view horizon. Click it, and again click on the eye, this one, and click on this arrow, this point. This is fully defined. It means it is located at the center of assembly, and the front plane of the assembly and the front plane of the main cover will be in one line. Okay, and top plane same way, right plane will be in one plane, main cover and assembly. Okay. Now rest it and hide the view horizon. This one. This part is hide it. This part is fixed. First part in assembly is always fixed. You can float it, right click and float it, but I am fixing it. Okay, another part, insert component, cover, this one. And now you are seeing there is a small window pop up at the bottom left side. So I want to rotate it. According to your requirement, you can rotate. I am rotating it at a y axis, this one. Again I am rotating y axis. Now in this position I want actually. Okay. Now insert component, browse. I have made two components in the previous video on the YouTube channel. So I am taking from there these two images. Control, press this button, control this, press button, and open. First, now this two parts I have selected. One part you are seeing. According to your direction, you can rotate it. I want to rotate it at y-axis. Rotate it. Now this is the rotate. This is x. Now second part is coming. I want to also rotate it. Where you want to rotate it? As per your requirement, you can rotate. I want to rotate it at a y-axis. This one, y-axis. The rotate. This way. Okay. Now I will fix these hinges here. Matte, selected this, select this hole. Inside of this, not edges. This one, and this hole. This one. Concentric, okay. Now again, this hole, and this hole. Concentric. Okay. Now again this hole and surface of this. This is coincident. One is fixed. Now another inch. I am bringing this. Again this. I am selecting inside the hole. You have to select inside, not edge. This one and this one. This hole. This is concentric. Okay, this one. Now bring slightly down. Slightly up. Now select this face, this face, this face, and this face. Coincident relation. This one. This hinge is fixed. Okay. Now matte, clear, this one, select this one, upper hole, not edge, this one, concentric relation. This one, concentric relation, not edge, this one. Okay. Now again this one, this face, and this face, coincident relation. Now this hinge is fixed. Okay, this one. This is fixed. Now I will copy this mat. This one, copy with mat. Select this hinge and this hinge and press this arrow button. Now this you have to satisfy the relay. First is concentric, this one. Box hole. Select. This one. Okay. Now coincident means this highlighted surface, this one. Okay. Again concentric. This edge, this hole, box hole, this one. Again this box hole. Okay. Now highlighted the surface, this one, this surface. When green color comes, it means you are on the right path, and click this OK and cancel it. Okay. Now the hinge, this one, this is this one. Now we have to make a limit mate, angle mate, so that how mat, advanced mat, limit mat. This angle is at present. What is the angle between this door and the box? But I want to fix minimum is this is the minimum 0 degree and maximum is the maximum angle is the 180 degree, 180, and select the phase, this one phase and this phase. Now okay. Now this one 0 and 180 in this one, 0, 180. You can add another thing also, handle, slot, etc. You can also ventilation, those of the, but I am we will create in upcoming videos. So I hope this is the assembly of a electrical enclosure, and I think you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. You please like, share, and you please subscribe my this channel to grow up to a great extent. So thank you for watching. Thank you very much.